I woke up with this sudden urge to eat white rice and stew, and I just got into it. It was so early, but I really had to eat white rice. If not, I feel dream this night for the food. So yeah, I went on to bring out my chicken, and then just get out the spices that we need to prepare the stew. Um, Went ahead to wash the rice and put it on fire, and then I focused on my chicken. This chicken, I think I got it at Classic Supermarkets in Abuja. So yeah, I'm very good in cutting chicken, you guys. You won't believe. So this is how I like to spice my chicken. I first of all sprinkle salt after washing, and then I put 1 cube of Maggi, Star Maggi, the original Maggi, and yeah, this is what I do. I pour my oil, and then I put onions. I put some garlic, and then I put ginger, and then I put my chicken to fry. Yes, I love it this way because it gives the chicken really nice aroma. I think I also added rosemary to this frying thing. Yeah, I believe I did. It just makes your chicken really tasty, but you need to allow the chicken to fry well. Oh, you need to allow it to fry well. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, turning it, making sure all the sides are perfectly done. Yeah, don't mind the fact that I'm whispering. Oh, it's so late at night as I'm actually making this voiceover. So yeah, the next step will be to start prepping for the stew, and I use my power oil, 1 sachet. Okay, I used 1 sachet for the chicken, and I'm using the other sachet for the stew. I'm still going to add everything together. Go ahead and put your onions, your garlic, your ginger, and then you stir. The next step is to use the Gino Party Jollof. I use Gino Party Jollof and Gino Pepper Onion. I love Gino Pepper Onion. This was my first time trying Gino Party Jollof, and I think I liked it. So yeah, this is my Gino Pepper Onion. Go ahead and put it in the oil so that it can fry. Okay. As you can see, the chicken is still doing what it's doing, getting ready. Okay, make sure you're watching that as well so you don't burn the chicken. And ooh, the chicken everywhere was just scenting so nice. So yeah, so I pour water in my own. This is how I cook my own stew. Well, for this particular one, I love this method so much. So easy. So yes, I put water, and then I would begin by putting first of all my curry. Okay, I'm going to put my curry, and then I'm going to put this Maggi seasoning powder for jollof rice. Stir properly, and then the next thing, I think I put 1 cube of Star Maggi. Okay. Meanwhile, the tomato is frying. So when this one simmered a little bit, the next step was to put it in the pot. Oh yes, and I added rosemary. I am obsessed with rosemary. Oh, you guys, I love rosemary in stew. So yeah, I went ahead to put it in and allowed it to simmer a little bit. And then when the tomatoes was fried, I just put everything inside and allowed it to simmer. So dun, da, da, da. Yeah, this is how it looks like. A little bit thick, and that's the reason why I added water. So you watch where I added water to the mix. Yeah. Oh, it was banging. Everywhere was scenting really nice. Oh, that's me yawning because I'm hungry again. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looked like. I added water, and then yeah, at this point I was serving. Trust me now. Let me go market. It's not be my money. I ate 2 chicken, yes, because I was so hungry and I had like a rough night. And I felt the only thing that could make my night cool would be the rice and stew. This food was a banger. It was everything. Oh God, I shall not make it again tomorrow. But yeah, it was really delicious. It was delicious, delicious, delicious. So yeah, going ahead with my Amstel Malta. Ah, yum. this Amstel mortar is to wash it down. So if you've watched up to this stage, make sure you subscribe, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, drop a comment. I'll see you in the next one.